For years, Ubuntu has been the default recommendation for anyone curious about Linux. It became the gateway into open-source computing, the safe suggestion on forums, the operating system many people installed after getting tired of Windows updates or macOS limitations. Ubuntu built a reputation for stability, ease of use, and strong community support. It simplified Linux for beginners and made it feel accessible to everyday users instead of just developers and system administrators. But times have changed. The Linux ecosystem has evolved dramatically, and today Ubuntu is no longer the only beginner-friendly choice. In fact, depending on your needs, it might not even be the best one anymore. Many modern Linux distributions now offer better performance, cleaner interfaces, stronger privacy protections, or more innovative approaches to software management. If you are still using Ubuntu simply because it has always been the default choice, you might be missing out on something better suited to your workflow. One of the biggest reasons people are reconsidering Ubuntu is performance. Over the years, Ubuntu has grown heavier. Features have been added, background services increased, and the overall system footprint expanded. While modern hardware can handle this easily, many users run Linux precisely because they want efficiency. They want an operating system that respects system resources, boots quickly, and feels responsive even on older hardware. Several modern distributions focus heavily on lightweight design while still providing a polished desktop experience. These alternatives demonstrate that a Linux system does not need to consume excessive memory or CPU just to feel modern. Another concern frequently mentioned is the direction Ubuntu has taken in terms of software packaging. Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu, has heavily promoted its snap packaging format. While snap packages offer benefits such as sandboxing and easier updates, they also introduce slower launch times and larger package sizes compared to traditional repositories or alternatives like Flatpak. Many users find Snap intrusive because certain core applications are installed using Snap by default, even when traditional packages exist. This has led to frustration among users who prefer more control over how software is installed and managed on their systems. Privacy is another area where some users have become cautious. While Ubuntu is open source and generally transparent, its integration of certain online services in the past raised eyebrows. Even though many of these concerns have been addressed, the trust of some community members has shifted toward distributions that emphasize minimal telemetry and maximum user control from the start. Linux users often value independence, transparency, and the freedom to customize their systems without unnecessary restrictions. Beyond technical reasons, there is also the matter of innovation. Many modern Linux distributions experiment with new desktop environments, immutable systems, atomic updates, and containerized applications. These innovations often arrive faster outside the Ubuntu ecosystem. Some distributions focus on reliability above all else, ensuring that system updates never break functionality. Others prioritize visual design, creating interfaces that rival commercial operating systems in appearance and usability. The diversity of Linux has always been its strength, and today there are more compelling options than ever. For users who want a familiar environment but smoother performance, there are distributions designed to feel instantly comfortable. These systems provide intuitive layouts, easy installation processes, and software centers filled with popular applications. They focus on removing complexity while preserving flexibility. Many of them include built-in tools for system backups, driver management, and customization, making them ideal for beginners transitioning from Windows or Mac OS. The goal is not to overwhelm new users but to empower them gradually. If you prefer a visually polished desktop, several Linux distributions prioritize design. These systems feature modern themes, elegant animations, and consistent interface elements. They demonstrate that open-source software can compete with proprietary systems in terms of aesthetics. From carefully chosen fonts to smooth transitions between applications, these environments are crafted to provide a premium feel. They appeal to users who want Linux to look as good as it performs. Another category worth exploring includes immutable Linux distributions. These systems are designed to prevent accidental breakage by separating the core operating system from user-installed applications. Updates are applied atomically, meaning they either complete successfully or roll back automatically. This dramatically reduces the chances of system instability. Immutable systems are particularly appealing to users who want reliability without constantly worrying about dependency conflicts or broken packages. They represent a growing trend in Linux development, focusing on stability and security. For developers and power users, There are distributions optimized for productivity. These systems often include newer kernels, up-to-date programming tools, and strong support for container technologies. They provide flexibility for experimenting with new software stacks while maintaining system stability. Many developers prefer distributions that offer a balance between cutting-edge updates and dependable performance. Such environments allow experimentation without sacrificing reliability. Gaming is another area where Linux has improved significantly. Thanks to compatibility layers and improved graphics driver support, many modern distributions provide excellent gaming performance. Some even come pre-configured with tools for running Windows games seamlessly. With the growth of platforms supporting Linux gaming, choosing the right distribution can significantly improve the overall experience. Faster package updates, optimized kernels, and simplified driver installation all contribute to better gaming performance. Security-conscious users also have more options than ever. Some distributions prioritize security by including advanced sandboxing, mandatory access controls, and hardened kernels. These features help protect user data and reduce the risk of malware. While Linux is generally considered secure, certain distributions go further by implementing proactive protection mechanisms. These systems are ideal for users who handle sensitive information or simply want extra peace of mind. Another reason to explore alternatives is community culture. Different Linux distributions attract different types of users. Some communities focus on helping beginners, while others emphasize technical experimentation. The quality of documentation, forums, and tutorials can significantly impact the user experience. A supportive community can make learning Linux enjoyable rather than frustrating. Many modern distributions invest heavily in clear documentation and beginner-friendly resources. Hardware compatibility has also improved across the Linux ecosystem. Today, many distributions include automatic driver detection, making installation smoother than ever. Wireless cards, printers, graphics cards, and touchpads often work immediately after installation. Some distributions specifically optimize hardware compatibility, ensuring that users spend less time troubleshooting and more time being productive. This is especially important for users installing Linux on laptops or custom-built desktops. Customization remains one of Linux's greatest strengths. Unlike proprietary operating systems, Linux allows users to modify nearly every aspect of the interface. Themes, icons, window managers, and extensions can transform the appearance and behavior of the desktop. Many modern distributions simplify this customization process through graphical tools. Users can personalize their systems without needing advanced technical knowledge. This flexibility allows each user to create an environment tailored to their preferences. Performance efficiency is particularly noticeable on older hardware. Many Linux distributions breathe new life into aging computers. Systems that struggle with modern versions of Windows often run smoothly with lightweight Linux environments. This extends the lifespan of hardware and reduces electronic waste. For users with older laptops or desktops, choosing the right Linux distribution can dramatically improve usability. Software availability is rarely an issue today. Most popular applications are available through repositories, Flatpak, or other package formats. Web-based tools also reduce dependency on specific operating systems. Office suites, browsers, creative tools, and communication apps are widely supported. Many distributions include software centers that make installation as simple as clicking a button. This convenience removes one of the traditional barriers to adopting Linux. Another important factor is update management. Some distributions provide frequent updates to ensure access to the latest features. Others focus on stability by releasing updates only after thorough testing. The best choice depends on whether you prefer cutting-edge software or maximum reliability. Understanding this difference helps users select a distribution aligned with their priorities. Modern Linux desktops also support productivity features such as virtual workspaces, keyboard shortcuts, and efficient window management. These tools can improve workflow efficiency significantly. Once users become comfortable with these features, they often find it difficult to return to traditional operating systems. Linux encourages efficient computing habits that save time and reduce distractions. Battery efficiency has improved as well. Several distributions include optimizations that extend laptop battery life. Background services are minimized, and power management tools help reduce energy consumption. This makes Linux an appealing choice for students and professionals who work on portable devices. Longer battery life increases productivity and convenience. The open-source philosophy continues to attract users who value transparency. Linux allows users to examine source code, understand how software works, and modify it if desired. This level of openness builds trust and encourages collaboration. Many people appreciate knowing that their operating system is not controlled by a single corporation. Instead, it evolves through contributions from developers worldwide. Trying a new Linux distribution is easier than ever. Live USB environments allow users to test systems without modifying their existing setup. This makes experimentation safe and accessible. Users can explore different desktops, software managers, and workflows before committing to installation. The ability to test multiple options encourages exploration and learning. Switching from Ubuntu does not mean abandoning familiarity. Many alternative distributions offer similar package management systems or compatible software repositories. Transitioning is often smoother than expected. In many cases, users discover improvements in performance, design, or usability that make the switch worthwhile. Ultimately, the best Linux distribution depends on individual needs. Some users prioritize stability, while others value cutting-edge features. Some prefer minimal systems, while others want visually rich interfaces. The diversity of Linux ensures that there is an option for everyone. Exploring alternatives can reveal tools and workflows that significantly enhance productivity. Linux continues to evolve rapidly, and new projects constantly emerge. Developers experiment with innovative ideas that reshape the desktop experience. Features once considered experimental gradually become mainstream. This continuous evolution ensures that Linux remains dynamic and adaptable. If you have been using Ubuntu simply out of habit, now might be the perfect time to explore other options. The Linux ecosystem offers a wide range of choices designed for different preferences and use cases. Trying something new can reveal capabilities you did not realize were possible. Whether you want better performance, stronger privacy, improved design, or enhanced stability, there is likely a distribution that meets your expectations. Exploration is part of the Linux journey. The freedom to choose is what makes open-source software powerful. By testing different distributions, you gain a deeper understanding of what works best for your workflow. Instead of relying on a single default recommendation, you can select a system tailored specifically to your needs. The idea is not that Ubuntu has suddenly become unusable. It remains a solid operating system with a large community. However, it is no longer the only obvious choice. The Linux ecosystem has matured, and competition has driven innovation. Users benefit from this diversity through better software and improved experiences. Choosing the right distribution can transform how you interact with your computer. Faster performance, cleaner interfaces, and smarter update systems contribute to a more enjoyable workflow. The right environment reduces frustration and allows you to focus on your work or creativity. As Linux adoption continues to grow, more developers contribute to improving desktop environments and applications. Hardware manufacturers increasingly provide Linux support, recognizing its importance in modern computing. This momentum ensures that Linux will remain relevant and competitive. If you are curious about improving your computing experience, consider exploring alternatives. Testing different distributions can help you discover features that align with your preferences. The process itself can be educational and enjoyable. Linux has always been about freedom, choice, and innovation. Moving beyond Ubuntu does not mean rejecting its contributions. It simply means embracing the broader ecosystem. By trying different distributions, you participate in the evolution of open-source computing. The future of Linux is diverse, flexible, and full of possibilities. Instead of sticking with the default option, take advantage of the variety available today. You may find a distribution that feels faster, looks better, and works more efficiently for your needs. Sometimes the best way to improve your workflow is simply to try something new. Linux gives you that opportunity without cost or risk. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, exploring alternatives can lead to a more satisfying computing experience. So if you have been relying on Ubuntu for years, consider expanding your horizons. The Linux world is bigger and more exciting than ever before. There are distributions designed for performance, creativity, security, simplicity, and experimentation. Somewhere among them is the perfect environment waiting to be discovered.